Scaling a typical agency to $10,000 a month usually requires hiring a team of 3 to 5 people. But I run my entire operation from just one single desktop app, without a single employee or virtual assistant. Claude Cowork is a desktop agent that interacts directly with your local files. It performs multi-step work within your operating system, which removes the need to manually move data back and forth in a chat window. The agent reads your local files, develops specific skills, and completes complex tasks unsupervised. You define the outcome and cadence, step away from the computer entirely, and return to find the project finished and waiting for review. In this environment, growth is no longer a matter of increasing human headcount. Success depends on the founder's ability to direct these autonomous processes effectively. Look at our weekly output. For a single Facebook ad package, the agent generates 3 concepts and 9 prompts in 60 seconds. Within the same week, it handles YouTube packaging, titles, thumbnails, and descriptions, while drafting social posts, blog articles, and proposals. We treat these individual AI skills as the department heads of our agency. They function as specialized managers within a digital org chart. Our Facebook ad creator skill, for example, functions as a media buyer. It is pre-trained on our specific brand colors, client pain points, and historical performance data to ensure every ad is optimized for clicks. The YouTube skill is loaded with title formulas and competitor research. Because these skills are trained once, they execute the same high-quality work every time, without the need for constant retraining. We've moved away from relying on human memory. We achieve scalable output by packaging specialized knowledge into these repeatable AI skills. We eliminated the friction of repetitive prompting by using a local folder structure as a permanent knowledge base for the agent. All our operational memory lives in one secure desktop folder containing the business plan, brand guidelines, and market research. Because this context is permanent, the agent understands the business goals. You never have to re-explain the foundation when starting a new task. By giving the agent direct access to these guidelines and research files, it can independently handle the labor previously assigned to content creators and research assistants. It uses that stored data to produce finished drafts instead of general suggestions. Centralizing our data within this local architecture is what allows us to automate 15 to 20 hours of manual work every week. There are clear boundaries to what the software can do. It doesn't host our client calls, it doesn't manage our professional relationships, and it doesn't make strategic decisions. We apply the 80-20 rule to our workflow. The agent handles the 80% of our business, consisting of repetitive tasks and execution. The remaining 20% is where I focus. This is the strategic judgment the machine cannot replicate. This shift has completely changed my schedule. The 20 hours I used to spend on manual execution have been compressed into roughly 4 hours of quality control and review. Freeing up those 10+ hours every week creates a structural advantage. I can spend that time exclusively on acquiring new clients and growing our revenue. The financial impact is significant. We've avoided the massive overhead of a multi-person payroll while maintaining the same output as a much larger agency. Every agency owner should look at their own numbers and calculate exactly how much they spend each month on manual, repetitive labor. You can find your specific leverage point using the free ProfitPulse ROI calculator at getprofitpulse.io/ROI calculator. It helps you visualize the potential savings for your operation. Ultimately, the value of this technology is measured by the actual business results it generates.